What if we told you you could be in two countries at the same time?
Welcome to Switzerland.
Liechtenstein. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. We are SuprAash.
If you are following our vlogs, you would know that we are in Liechtenstein.
And you might even recognize the location behind us. We've come to the same lake we were at yesterday evening.
Since it was raining yesterday and we couldn't enjoy the view around the lake, and also we couldn't see the colors, we wanted to come again here.
If you look at the colors in the lake behind us, you would know why we wanted to come during the day when the sun is shining.
And also the views along the drive was amazing because sun is shining and the weather is very good.
So now let's have a look around the lake during the day.
After spending some time at the lake, we have come to a new town, Malbun.
This town is just 8 minutes drive from the lake, so it's the perfect next spot to visit. And if you like hiking, Liechtenstein has a lot of nice trails to hike on, so we would definitely recommend going on one of them.
But before that, we would go to the Tourist Information Center, get the information to see things around, and we will keep you posted. We got the information from the Tourist Info Center, so she gave us multiple suggestions. So she told us we can roam around this Malbun village itself, but we can also take a chairlift and go here, which is at 2000 meters. So she said that we will get a nice view from here. If we don't want to do that, we can also do a very small hike which goes here at this location, which takes around 30 minutes. And if we don't want to do that as well, or if you have some more time, we have another location which is here. So this is like going here and then coming back, so it will take around 2 hours to complete the hike. So now we have several options, so we will think what we need to do and we will let you know, guys.
So these are the chairlifts which will take us up to the viewpoint. You see it's going pretty slow, it's not very fast. I don't think it should be too scary. There is a bit of an elevation, you see the incline. These are the views from Malbun city center. You can just see how beautiful it looks. Nice houses and small streets in between. And you also see the chairlift from here. You see the top point where it goes to. The view from up there will be amazing, but we decided not to take the chairlift. We're gonna have some lunch now and then stay tuned to see what we do next.
We have come now for lunch. We have ordered rosti with vegetables, and look at the presentation. It's just wow. People who don't know, for them rosti is a traditional dish here in Austria, in Switzerland, and also in Germany. This is the Malbun traditional dish, which is also famous in Switzerland.
Now after lunch, we're heading on the Sassweg trail. We're gonna be hiking for about 2 hours. It's gonna be some amazing views along the way. There's gonna be a lake and all that. So let's see how it looks once we get there. Something that we did notice in Malbun, they have a lot of play areas for children. Mini golf and swings, slides. It's a nice place to come in with kids.
After after walking for around 15 to 20 minutes, we have reached one viewpoint and they have bench. So we are right now sitting on that and enjoying the view. And the view and even the trail around is quite beautiful. A lot of greenery around.
It's really easy hike. It does not have a lot of steep inclinations or anything, so it's a very doable hike. Unfortunately, they've closed the trail, so we cannot go further. We need to turn back and go back the same way we came. We were not able to reach the lake, so that's a pity. I have no idea why they've closed the trail. So after the hike, which was not completely successful, we are now going towards Alte Rheinsbruck, or also known as the Old Rhine Bridge.
This is actually a border between Switzerland and Liechtenstein.
And this is one of the few places in Europe where you can be in two places at the same time. This is the Old Rhine Bridge. It's a wooden bridge which connects Liechtenstein and Switzerland, and it's built over the Rhine River, which forms a natural border between the two countries.
Right now, I am standing at two different countries at the same time. One side, as you can see, it is Liechtenstein, and the other side, it is Switzerland. What an amazing experience to stand in two different countries at the same time. As you can see, we have crossed this bridge. So we were on the other side, which is Liechtenstein, and now we are on this side, which is Switzerland. So just by 2 minutes of walk and we are in Switzerland. And we can also see the Vaduz castle, which we showed you guys on day 1. So this is the view of the Vaduz castle from Switzerland.
We are now walking in Switzerland and enjoying the views. This is one of the advantages of the Schengen or European open border system. You can just cross into another country and enjoy it. Over here we see some cows with the Swiss bells. You can hear the bells on the cows. It sounds so nice to hear that.
After visiting the border and a quick hop to Switzerland, we are here back in Liechtenstein. We have come to Planken, which is a very small town.
It's a quaint little town and there's not much to see over here except how beautiful the town looks. Unfortunately, we cannot show you a lot as it's become dark already, but we saw some amazing pictures of this place and we wanted to have a look for ourselves. It looks really beautiful around here, and yeah, maybe in the daytime it would have looked a lot better and we could have shown you some views as well.
But we witnessed a very beautiful sunset while driving to this town, but also you can see here as well the sunset was very beautiful.
So with this, we would like to end our vlog over here, but I'm sure most of you all want to know the budget for today. So take it away.
So let's start with the stay. For stay, it will cost around 100 to 150 francs for a couple per day.
And for the food, just like yesterday, it's approximately 100 francs per day for a couple. Again, it depends on what you would like to eat, where you eat, and everything. So that's an average estimate.
Although we did not take the chairlift, it will cost 16 francs for one person. So that's like 32 francs for a couple. But as already explained in our last vlog, if you opt for an adventure pass, then you get one free ride with that pass.
And as mentioned yesterday as well in the previous vlog, we used our own car, so there's no public transportation included. You need to take that into account when you plan your trip.
So if we add up all these expenses, it comes to 230 to 280 francs for a couple a day.
And if you include your public transportation, as yesterday, an average which we can estimate would be somewhere between 300 and 350 Swiss francs for a couple.
Also, let us know if this budget is something which is useful for you guys or not.
This was one of the suggestions given by one of our viewers, and we thought we would incorporate it in this vlog and see how it goes. So please let us know in the comments below if you find this useful or not.
And also, if you would like to see where we stayed, don't forget to subscribe to our channel.
And as always, if you like this video, don't forget to like, share,
Because sharing is caring.
and subscribe to our channel if you already haven't done so. We'll see you in the next video. Bye.